Hello guys, we are going to be doing my current skincare routine with products that are a little bit new and things that I just love using on my face. And we're also gonna do a get ready with me in my second part of the video, so stay tuned if you want to see the makeup part. But today, back to what I was saying, we're going to be doing my current skincare routine, so if you'd like to see that, keep on watching. So the first thing that I do in my skincare routine is use my Colleen Rothschild Balancing Gel Cleanser. It is a pH balancing gel cleanser, very gentle, and it foams up really good. And what I love using this is with my Alley Oop cleansing mitt. So basically it's an exfoliation mitt, and it helps, you know, just get rid of everything off. It's just like a gentle exfoliation in the morning, which I love, and it's kind of soaked right now, so that's why it looks kind of dirty, but don't worry, I always wash it. But yeah, so I always start off with my gel cleanser. I already did it off camera, so we'll go on to the second step. I also have everything off to the side, so I'll just be grabbing my products right here. But the second step I love using is this Tphaaox Dive In Toner, low molecular hyaluronic acid with allantoin, if I said that right. It's a very nice, refreshing toner, very gentle, lightweight, feels just like water with hyaluronic acid. So I definitely love using this just to get that really nice glass skin effect. So when I'm using this toner, I like to use my hands. It's just easier for me, and I love applying and patting into my skin. So what I like to do is I like to pour it in, couple drops, and we're just gonna spread it right on, and we're just gonna apply it like this. I just love pressing it into my skin. It feels so good. And what I like to do with this is just patting it in, just pushing it into my face, using the heat from my hands so the product can absorb easier and more efficient to my skin. I like this toner a lot because it, like I said, it feels like water. Hyaluronic acid as well too. It's gonna suck in all the absorption, you know, water molecules, you know, basically just hydrating the skin. A tip I like to do is I love layering my toners and serums. It's just easier for me, and I definitely see a less texture on my face when I do layers throughout the skincare routine. So what we're gonna do is just go again, and we're just gonna pat it into the skin again. Totally forgot to apply this hair burst eyebrow serum. I've been testing out for 1 to 2 months daily, and as you can see, I have no brow hair or any brow. So this, I'm just hoping it'll work. Like, I'm telling myself it works, but honestly I've seen like little hair growth, but I do see that my hair is thicker, so we're just gonna keep using this. Then I like to go in with my K-Skin Isle Balm. It has SPF in it, so, you know, protecting the lips, and it's very, so slippery. And it smells so sweet. Next on my routine that I do is their Tphaaox Dive In Serum. It's the same line as the toner, but this is a serum. Oh, I don't know where this has been in my life, but I'm so glad it's in my life right now, because the way it just gives me this nice dewy glass skin effect is to die for. So we're just gonna apply a couple drops. I like to use a whole dropper on my face, and I'm just gonna apply it in circular motions. and I just layered the serum on one more time, really patting it in and rubbing it into my skin, avoiding the eyebrows because we just applied the eyebrow serum. And oh my, look, it just gives you this instant glow, which I love, and it doesn't feel sticky, it does not feel heavy, it's so hydrating, and like I said, very lightweight, so you can definitely layer it. Happy skin, happy life. For moisturizers, I like to take the Tphaaox Triple Hyaluronic Acid 10% Multi-Ceramide Complex 1000 ppm, or multi-ceramide cream. This is what it looks like. It's in the most adorable jar ever. And like the title says, it's a ceramide cream, so it's definitely going to help out with repairing your skin barrier, strengthening it, you know, making sure that your skin barrier is strong enough to resist anything. This is what it looks like, and I just like to take some, apply on my skin, and it's a thick cream. It smells like something out of a garden. And I like to just take my fingers and really work it into the skin, massaging it as I go, hydrating, repairing skin barrier. What I like about this cream is that it is thick. Like, it's thicker than any other cream that I would like to use on my skin, but it is so lightweight that you honestly can probably double it as well too, layering it, and it will probably feel a bit heavy, but not as heavy as other creams that I've used. My skin feels so good right now. This is why I love using this cream. And we're already here. This is the last step of my skincare routine. Is a K-Skin Universal Mineral Face Lotion SPF 55. This is new. It just came out too. But when you see this, oh, you're gonna be like, what is that? But let me just show you. Look at this. It comes out yellow, green. Using this much, and I just like that. It leaves the skin feeling glowy, hydrated, but no white cast. And oh my god, I've been loving this because most of my sunscreens do give me just a little bit of white cast. So this one doesn't, which is very good for me. And I'm just going to apply it all over my face, my ears, and my neck, so it can protect me from the sun. Like, in every routine, you need SPF. You're staying inside, you need SPF. You're going outside, you need SPF. You're going for a drive, you need SPF. This is something you should not skip. This really helps out your skin, and it protects you from the sun, so you won't get any skin cancer or sun damage. Look at us, we are a pair of glazed donuts. I am a glass skin, I am a glass mirror, I am a pool of hydrated water. I don't know what that means, but I am just feeling so good, so hydrated. Look at this. If you look closely, there is no pilling, no white cast, nothing. My skin looks healthy and radiant. I love this routine. Oh my god. So that was my current routine of my skincare using products that I love. Some products have been gifted to me and some products I have bought with my own money. I will leave everything down in the links below so you can check it out too, so you can get healthy and radiant skin just like me. If you want to see more skincare videos, tutorials, or anything, let me know down below, and stay tuned for my next video of how my current routine for my makeup is. Yeah, so like I said, everything will be linked down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.